Let's give you an update on our hanging basket strawberry planters. Yes, welcome to Gardening with Ben, and today we're going to be showing you how well our hanging baskets are growing. Now these have been planted 3 weeks, so they've not been in too long, and these are obviously indoor, so they are getting a lot more warmer temperature than they would do outside, so hence the reason why they're looking so good. So let's have a look and let's see how well they're growing. So these are the hanging baskets. We've got 14 of them all hung up. We've still got some spare hanging baskets, what we're going to use for tomato plants outside probably. So yeah, these were bare root runners, which I got. These are ever bearing strawberries, so they'll keep fruiting all the way through summer, fingers crossed, as long as we keep taking off the runners, so then they'll keep producing the fruit all summer long as they're watered and obviously fed with tomato feed as well. Now we've got some like little capsules on what are feeding them at the moment. When they start to get the flowers on, that's when we'll start to feed them tomato feed. But yeah, as you can see, there's lots of new growth coming on them from what looked like a dead bare root runner, which was a bit like one of those. They are now producing leaves, and this week is going to be pretty warm. It's going to get up to 16 degrees outside, so possibly looking at 20 degrees in the polytunnel, all being well. And then hopefully they'll all start springing into life. As you can see, they're looking absolutely amazing. So pleased with them. We've got about 15 plants in each one. We've got 12 around the edge and 3 in the top. Probably too many, but we'll see how well they get on. We can always take some out if we get too many plants on them next year. So yeah, we're gonna water these once a week at the moment while it's pretty cool, because they're staying pretty damp and wet. And then when they start to get a lot more warmer in here, then we'll water them every single day or every few days. I've given them a good watering today, because obviously, like I said, we're expecting warm temperatures this week, so hopefully it'll kickstart a lot of them and get them growing even better. And next week we'll hopefully see a massive increase in the foliage on them, and they'll look pretty good and get growing, because some of them are just waking up, as you can see, just starting to get some life on them. So yeah, there's still quite a few to wake up and get growing, but I'm pretty happy with how well they're all growing. It's the first time I've used these. These are from Oakland Gardens, and yeah, they're great, and we've hung them up on hooks on the polytunnel, so I was pretty wary of whether it would be too heavy for it, but it seems to be holding up pretty good on the polytunnel. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't pull it all down, and hopefully we don't damage the polytunnel, but we'll see how we get on, and hopefully some beautiful strawberries. So stay tuned for the next update on the strawberries. So I hope you've enjoyed that video. Make sure you do drop us a follow to stay up to date with how well our strawberries are growing down here at the allotment, and see if we do manage to get some great strawberries on them this year, which I'm excited for. First time trying this indoors, and the best thing about growing them indoors is that they won't get the slugs, they won't get the birds eating them, they won't get wood lice crawling along the floor eating them as well. So yeah, fingers crossed for a successful harvest in here this summertime. So make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.